Hello and welcome to the Aenova site in Kirchberg, Switzerland. My name is Christian Luftensteiner and I'm pleased to introduce you to the Aenova Center of Excellence for Pharmaceutical Soft Gelatin Capsules. Here in Kirchberg, we offer full service from development to manufacturing of soft gels, including handling of high-potent APIs.
Our softgel capabilities extend from early clinical trials to state-of-the-art global-scale production. Our in-house laboratory performs a wide variety of analytics, analytical development, and stability testing for all types of active pharmaceutical ingredients, including highly potent ones.
We aim to deliver effective and safe products with a strong focus on customer and patient satisfaction. Our analysis is carried out with Swiss quality and reliability. Additionally, our troubleshooting support is well regarded by customers, leading to an increase in analytical testing transfers.
Next to our impeccable quality services, sustainability is another important focus area for us. We are consistently reducing our environmental footprint. In Kirchberg, we specialize in handling highly potent oxygen or light-sensitive APIs up to OEB 5. We have plenty of experience in contained processing. Incoming raw materials are sampled and analyzed on site before they move on into production. Impeccable capsules with perfect shapes and seams lie at the heart of our production. That's why we develop and manufacture our very own encapsulation tooling in-house. The optimized design, combined with over 40 years of know-how, yields highly efficient capsule output. Each capsule is sorted by size and visually inspected before packing. Our packaging capabilities include blistering small to very large capsule sizes, and our most modern blister line meets the newest aggregation and serialization standards.
As a mid-sized organization, we have lean processes and work hand in hand to find innovative, quick and cost-effective solutions that are tailored to our customers' needs.
40 years know-how and modern infrastructure allow us to provide impeccable Swiss quality when serving customers worldwide. Our highly motivated and competent team puts customers and patients first, and we take great pride in our on-time delivery track record. We look forward to discussing your pharmaceutical soft gel capsule needs and are sure to find a solution that is tailor-made for your project.